Um, hey guys, it's me, Sharafa, so I'm back with a brand new face reveal video. So I'm kind of shy actually to do the face reveal because um, it's my first time. I never did a face reveal, and it's gonna be kind of weird. And I never had a gaming chair, so this is the place where I usually play. This is where I sit, play tab, and my tab is right here. I will do the face reveal, don't worry. So yeah, this is my face and I kind of feel weird about it. So yeah, guys, this is my face reveal. I am almost 13 years old, so I'm almost a teenager. I'm 12 for now, and I feel shy about this. Like, oh my god. So yeah, this is my face reveal, and I'm about to go to the park, which is over there. So wait, I'll just show you guys the park. Which is this? This is the park. I don't know if you guys can see at all, but this is like where we play and all. So this is the park, and yeah, this is my face reveal. So it's my first time actually doing a face reveal. I never did it, and I'm gonna put on the mask because I'm going to park right now, and my tab. It's 2:15 right now. Everything is like opposite for me. So this is like how I play tab and all, and I can do a hand cam gameplay. I don't know. And everyone is like, when I suddenly reached like 1,000 subscribers, I was like, I don't know. I was like so surprised. Like, there was something here and all. Oh, my hand. So, yeah, I reached 1,000 subscribers and it was really surprising for me. Like, I'll show you every comment that said I reached 1,000 subscribers. 1 minute. My siblings see YouTube in my tab, like my brother, my small brother. Okay, so I'll tell you everyone. So Kanini Mutuni, he said you got 1K and so many exclamation marks. I don't know if you guys can read it opposite. Everything is like opposite. Then RSCOG Gamer RR, he said congrats on 1K. Then Nadhira Tahir, he said when are you going to do face reveal? Then again he said when are you going to do face reveal? Then Shadow Star said wow, congrats on 1K subs. And yeah, it's going to be actually easier if I screen recorded. So I'll screen record it from here. Yeah, so you guys can actually see also. So yeah, wait, what? Oh, it is showing the streaming form. Okay, I don't need it, jeez. Okay, so I don't know if you guys still saw my face or not, but there is one way you guys can see my face long time back, and it's just kind of awkward. So yeah, so now you guys can see everyone. These all are the one who said, bro, you got 1K subs and all. Then Lucid Sway, then Has Gamer, James Studios, like so many kept on coming. And then there are more actually. So yeah, 1 minute. Let me just see where is it. Oh my god, like I can't believe I actually reached 1K. So see, I have 1,000 subscribers and a 15-second video has 97 views. Like that's so funny, like really funny. And yeah, here's my Instagram. Like seriously, everyone have been telling congrats and all. Oh my god, my Instagram. Where are they? One was from. See, guys, please subscribe to our channel now so you can get 1K. Then congrats, bro, on 1K subs. And then on this thing, everyone was telling. See, Razar, he was telling when will I do this thing? Oh my god, he literally spoiled it. Congrats on 1K subscribers. Then there were more. What is this about? Yeah, so yeah, this is my. There were more. Yeah, here. He said. He sent me few pictures. I don't know if it's loading or not. He said, "Hello, bro. It's me, Cricket Next. Can you tell them to follow me? You watch Bayonet do something. I all don't know." Then he said, "Congrats on 1K subs, bro. You deserve it." Then he said, "Congrats on 1K. There are more." Then he said, "Congrats on 1K." See guys. Here. He also said, "Congrats on 1K. He helped me reach 998." See, there are like so many more people who said this. So I actually can't believe it. Listen. Now you guys want to see where you guys can see my face long time back. So the channel is named Hadi and Friends. So wait 1 minute. Where is it? I really can't find it now for some reason. I can't find it. I really can't. Okay, I really can't find it. It was there. Like me, my brother, and my friend Hadi. So I'll also show you guys my stats, and my mother is here, so I don't want to show her. This is my stats. So I'm in ML1 clan. I'm in level 41. 1,200 games, 1,226 games, 284 wins, 2,794 kills, 855 deaths, 3.27 KD. That's a lot. And then 423 games, 254 wins, 2,465 kills, 1,556 deaths, and 1.5 KD. That's not too much, I guess. I don't play too much arena, but from here it looks like I did play a lot. So, oh my god, what can I say? 403 games, 139 wins, 882 kills, 975 deaths, and 0.90 KD. 0.9. What? 0.90 KD. Then time limited mode is 389 games, 363 wins. Oh, so most of the games I played was only wins. So no too much. Oh, but so many deaths are there. 593 kills and 5,936 kills. Oh my god, my face is not coming in. So I'll just show you my face while doing this. And then 4,347 deaths. Oh, the sun is going down a little bit. And then 1.37 KD. And my double kills are 1,476. Triple kills are 2,255. Oh my god. Auto weapon kills are 4,283. What should I say? Shotgun kills are 4,245. Hey, where is this assault kills? Not fair. Then sniper kills are 908. Pistol kills are 163. Melee kills are 129. Explosive kills are 1,441. Wow. Total time played of 16 days and 4 hours. Characters unlocked is 57 out of 114. Avatars unlocked is 66 out of 96. Backpacks unlocked is 12 out of 12. Rockets unlocked is 8 out of 8. Hammers unlocked is 20 out of 28. Achievements unlocked is 64 out of 75. Oh my god. And then our clan, oh my scout, he is finally joining. So Malisha, she was the leader of ML1 and then her phone was lost. And then she couldn't get it back. She didn't find it. So she has a new Instagram account. I don't want to tell it yet. And yeah, here's all my skins. I have all these skins. And then I have this, mother skin. I have the student clerk skin. I have Native American again. I have the cool male. I have scout, I have nerd, islander, homeless, DJ, businessman. I have the monk, I have rustler. What else? I have geisha. Oh, that's weird one. I have bad guy. I have gunman. I have gold miner. I have captain. I have sheriff. I have the punk, mechanic, emo, eastern female, biker, a Neptune, EV, special forces, golem proteins, warfighter, goblin, rock golem, saloon girl, pirate skeleton, saloon girl. Saloon girl again? Wait, what did I just do? I don't know. I think I did saloon girl twice. Then I have this, only this I'm telling, nothing else. I have all these dumb avatars. Then I have the magnet, meat, snow, pineapple, frog, cheese, clown, duck, fidget spinner, lightning, thunder, whatever, parrot, eagle, toxic, skeleton, wires. I have the Jason Jason face mask. I have the ninja blade. I have throwing star. I have the dice. I have diamond. I have fox. I have a fan, colorful fan. I have underwear, triggered, and thug life. I'll wear triggered for now. Then I have this elite skin rocket, elite chest rocket, battle pass skins, rocket pencil, slide, fireworks, USA one. I don't know. Hammers. I have all of these. Then I have angry, insult, up. I'll put some volume. Then what is this? Flex. I have clap, pray, stretch. For now, stretch is my favorite one. Terrified, bow, talk, taunt, hum. Then my dances, I have flow, spring, splashing, rumba, chill, zigzag, edge. I have dizzy, sun, twerk. And these all are my stats. I'm in 80 battle pass 83, and the sad thing is that I'm actually not in the RR page for some reason. I really feel so sad about I have 1000 subscribers, and my friend Army YTRR, Trooper YT Icon. There was one more I forgot. Face claps. There was still one more. I forgot who was it. Oh, Nasif Junior is back. Wow. Pumpy 5461. Then who was? Ninja 5461. Now I remember him. They all are there, but not me. Even Krillix Gaming. And then my weapons of my choice. Desert Eagle, Dual Beretta, whatever. These are my guns. I'm not even looking at the camera, I'm just looking at my tab. Sniper, all are like plus 30 except for my G3. I'm still working on it. Then these all are mine. Of course it's mine, it's my account. But people are begging me for taking my account. They're asking for my account. But I said I can't give them because I'm an OG and my tab is still there. The pink color, that iPad Air which I used to have. So yeah, this is my account and I'm still sad about Rocket GameSpy not adding me to the RR page. But it's okay. And I promise we will do a handcam gameplay. I just need to get. So if you guys want to see my friends, we'll continue with it. Yeah, why not? So you guys wanted to see my friends and what else I said I would do. My friends and one more stuff. But now it's 2:28. So I think at 4 o'clock I'll record me doing with my friends. I'll just go to park right now. Come home at I don't know when should I come home. I'll come home at around 4 o'clock. And my tab is going to talk with this tab. See, oh my god, there are millions of tabs and you can see the reflection. Wow, cool. My eyes. So yeah, guys, let's continue with the tour. Yeah, I said I'll show you guys my park. So yeah, I'll just go to park right now, and I might record now. Let me see how many children are there. My friend Afnan is all there. So I think I'll see right now. I don't know. So yeah, let's see you guys there. So I just shut the door, and I'm leaving the house. And it did not go as well as planned as you guys think. Yesterday when I tried to record a video, like there was not too many children in the park. So then I thought I'll just cancel it and I'll record the next day. So this time I'm not recording it at 4 o'clock. I'm recording it at like around between 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock. I didn't see the time when I left. So yeah, this is the entrance to the park. I have my cycle keys. So just take it. That's the way to the park. And then there's some different people over here. And my cycle. It's been a little old. I've been having it for 2 years. And so that's why it's a little messed up, dirty and all. It's so hard to unlock with one hand. Like, oh my god. Stuck. So wait, you guys stay here. Keep you guys like this, I guess. So it's like around and there's an amazing view in the building. So like I can show you guys my old building. It's an amazing view. I really like it. I don't know what is the angle of this camera, but this is the view. And that is my old building. That is my balcony which I'm pointing at. This is the parking and that's the road. That park over there is called as the Mutina Park. This is my brother's cycle. This is my sister's cycle. But this red one used to be my brother's cycle. So now my sister has it because her cycle is a little old, really old. We bought 3 of our cycle together, but then this green one is my brother's cycle which he got for his birthday in November. So it's like little different. So yeah, this is the view. And this is the entrance. Oh my god. So yeah, I reached the park and it's like a really nice view. My friend's house is here and I'm also getting a new cycle for my birthday, February 11th. But I'm still going to buy it. See, these are all the children. That is actually the playground. We reached there. I'm not going to show my brother's face yet or my sister's. Oh my god. My friends are all there. I can't do this. My brother and sister both are there. Dang boy. And none of my friends knew that I'm recording today. I didn't tell anyone. But to my surprise, like yesterday, I reached 1000. When I finished streaming, I reached 1.01k. That means 1010 subscribers. And it feels like it's daily raining here in UAE. In UAE, I live in Dubai. Now you guys can daily meet me if you guys wanna. Just need to come to my building, Burj Nahar Mall. And in the mall, there's a Nesto. The Nesto, there's a residence. This is where I like to play badminton because there's like so free space. So, my friends are there. That's Batul. And these children, I don't know. That's Hannah with the cycle. That's Stalin. My siblings are there, but I'm not going to tell which who is it. So I'll just take like some few rounds. And if you guys want to explore the place, just comment down below. And I will take more videos. Like if you guys want, I can do vlogs. I can do gaming. And there we go. We met again. See, so it daily looks like it's raining over here. See, it looks like it's raining everywhere. And children park their cycles here. Oh, my friend's cycle fell down, Yara. She used to be in my old school. Because I shifted my school, she's still in the same school. I'm giving information about everything. We like to actually drink tea over there. And I actually never saw these children. I'm serious, I'm actually. Oh, my friend Afnan is running. He's literally running. Oh god, no. Look, Afnan is running. This is an entrance over here. Oh my god, I'm making the video really long. And in the balcony, people put like grasses so it can be comfortable because the balcony is really big. Children are putting their mask on when I'm taking around. She's the weird one. Yeah, see? She's smart one. These two children like to play with each other. There's like one more child over there. That's Batul. Just in case if I told anything. No! That's Humaira, Batul's sister. And those children too, those two children like to play with these two children in the balcony, but they're not in the balcony right now. So yeah, I'm just gonna go back home, give the phone back, keep the phone in the house so I can actually play. Jeez. See? This is the way back home. No one knew that I was gonna record today. It's like around 2 o'clock almost. So yeah, let's just go home. I'm gonna park my cycle here. I kept it. This is a weird vlog for me. I never expected I would do this all, but then all of you guys have been asking for it. All of you wanted to know where I used to play, because like I'm always telling I want to go to the park while I'm streaming, so now you know the park. I don't like to take the lift because like it's a waste of time. It's like really far, so it's easier for stairs. I can daily exercise and I can daily reach my home faster. I'll show you where the lift is. So collect the lift is all the way there. And this is, I don't know. So yeah, my home door is open. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys want more like these type of stuff, and if you guys want to know more, just guys ask me. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. For today, bye bye.